Hello, you're welcome back to my channel. In this video we'll be treating question on diagonal scale. We have a question here on diagonal scale which I want us to look at together. The question says, draw a diagonal scale of representative fraction 3/10 showing meters, decimeters and centimeter and measures up to 5 meters. Show the length of 3.69 on it. So we have to construct the scale. After we are done with the construction, we are to show this length 3.69 on it. As I usually say on my videos on construction of scale, there are parameters you need to know. You need to bring out the representative fraction. If it is not given, the parameters will be given to you to calculate. You have to get the representative fraction, but in this case we are given the representative fraction as 3/10. Okay, unit to be shown on the scales are meters, decimeters and centimeter. That means it measures up to 3 units. That is diagonal scale. Don't forget I said diagonal scale measures up to maximum of 3 units: meters, decimeters and centimeter, while plane scale measure up to maximum of 2 units. Please don't forget the difference between them. The maximum length of scale, they said in the question the scale is to measure up to 5 meters, so the maximum length is 5 meters. So converting the 5 meters to centimeter, we have 500 centimeter. Don't forget 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. Now length of scale, we need to calculate this. Usually this is not given, but we'll calculate it because that is what we will use in drawing the scale. So length of scale by formula is what representative fraction multiplied by the maximum length of the scale, and this is the representative fraction multiplied by the maximum length of the scale. So when we calculate this, we are going to be arriving at 15 centimeters. So I will be drawing the scale up to this length, 15 centimeters. So let's quickly do that. So I'm going to draw a line now. Okay, that way. So on that line I will measure 15. I will take a point first as my A, as my starting point, then 15. Okay, so this will be my A, this point here, and this point here will be B. Now we are going to give the scale a height. Don't forget the height of the scale can be of any convenient length. The height of the scale can be of any convenient length of your choice. Okay, all right, this time around I'm going to use 3 centimeter. I'll be using 2 all along, so on drawing of scale, so I will use 3 this time around. Let's use 3. Okay, let's use 3. So this is 3, this is 3, this is 3, so we have our rectangle drawn as. Okay, I think this is good. All right, so this is 15 centimeter, which is the length of our scale. But don't forget, in the question, we'll come back to the question. The question says that the scale is to measure up to 5 meters, is to read up to 5 meters. So that means that we are going to be dividing this into 5. Okay, why? Because it's reading up to 5 meters, meaning now that each division is going to represent 1 meter. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say. This is 15 centimeter. Okay, we have 15 centimeter here. Okay, let me be sure. Let me just measure to be sure. Yeah, I use 15. Okay, yes, that is 15. So we have 15 here. So we are going to divide this 15 now into 5, because the scale is to read up to 5 meters. So each division now is going to be 1 meter. So we'll divide this 15 into 5, so we can easily divide that without any problem. So we can use just division from the ruler instead of a method of line division. So if we have 3, 6, 9, 12 like that, so 3, 6, 9, 12. All right, so we go to the last one now. All right, so this is our division. So we number the scale. We can call this 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, so the next thing we are going to be doing now is to pick this first part here, AO. Don't forget that each of these division represents 1 meters. Okay, so this side now, we can call this side our meters. So we have one of the units sorted out. Okay, so we need 2 more units. Okay, the other unit, the decimeters and centimeters. So we'll pick one of the meters here, AO. We'll pick AO, one of the meters, which we are going to be dividing into 10. Why? Because 1 meters equals to 10 decimeters. So if I divide this into 10 now, this part, this 1 meter now will represent 10 decimeters. So I'll draw using my method of line division that way. Okay, step off 10 times. Step off 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 9, and 10. Let's number to be sure. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we join this to this, then we draw parallel lines. Okay, this way. You patiently do that so that you can get the division correctly. All right, so we have that sorted out. So we number, so you can say this is 2, this is 4, 6, 8, and 10. Okay, because it's a diagonal scale, so I will pick from 9 now, join 9 to this angle here, because it's a diagonal scale, so it should be inclined. Okay, this way. Okay, so you can place this so that the lines will be parallel. So you have that this way, and finally a 0. Okay, so you can see, so this part now will represent our decimeter. So this is my decimeter part. So the next thing now is for me to draw. We now have 2 units, showing 2 units already now. Okay, so the next thing for me now is to draw the centimeter part. So I'm going to be dividing this height into 10 equal parts. Okay, 10 equal parts as well. I'll go this way using our method of line division. So step of 1, 2, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so let's just number that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So I will join the 10th part to this part here. Okay, then I can put my set square and ruler. I can draw my lines to it this way. So we keep second one, then lastly, so we have this now. So the next thing is for us now to draw from this line. Now from each of the points we draw across the inclined line, starting with this first one. So we draw this way. That is 1, that is 2, 8, 9, and the 10th part is there already. So we can see we are done with the scale. So this side is the centimeter, this centimeter part. So the scale now is showing 3 units of measurement: meters, decimeters, and centimeters. So the next thing now is for us to take the measurement. This is very important, so we must know how to take the measurement from the scale. So we are told to take measurement 3.69 meter on it, 3.69 meters. So this means 3 meters, 6 decimeter, 9 centimeter. I repeat, by this measurement it means 3 meters, 6 decimeter, and 9 centimeter. So how do we take that now? It's a very simple thing to do. So we are going to go to the scale where you have 3. This is where we have 3. Okay, because the readings should be 3.69 meters. So we'll take note of this where we have this 3. Okay, now this other part, this is the way to read it. So 3 meters, okay, 6 decimeter. So this is the decimeter part. So you come to 6 here. You can see that now. This is 6. Okay, then the last one is 9 centimeter. So if this is 6, then you read centimeter up. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this part here, so this is 9, this is 9. You take note of that part there. Okay, So can have this. So this is my 3.69 meters. I hope this is clear. Let me take that again. This is 3 meters. Okay, 3 meters, 6 decimeter. This is 6 now. Okay, then you read up to centimeter, 9 centimeter, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, with this scale you can take as many unit of measurement, as many measurements. Okay, let's say for example we are told to take 4.35 meters. 4.3, this is 4. Okay, this is 4. Then we come to 3 here. This is 3. 4.35, 1 2 3 4 5. You can see that now. So it's as simple as that. I believe that with constant practice you'll be able to get it, and practice as many questions as possible. And if you have any question that is challenging, you can drop it on in the comment section, so let's look at it together. Thank you for staying tuned. Please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. God bless you.